The cost of wasting money. Hello everyone, this is Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. First, marami sa atin ang nagsasayang ng 100 pesos per day. Pa-manicure or pedicure, bili ng soft drinks, extra cellphone load, bili ng ice cream, coffee, cigarettes, taya sa loto, bili ng junk foods. Marami tayong ginagastos araw-araw na akala natin wala lang. Yung 100 pesos a day pala 3,000 a month na pwede natin i-save. Kung iniipon mo yung 3,000 per month, assuming nilagay mo sa investment facility na pwedeng kumita ng 12% per year, after 10 years, 690,116 pesos. After 15 years, 1,498,741. And after 20 years, 2,967,766 na. Imagine sa pagtitipid mo lang ng 100 pesos per day, pwede ka magkaroon ng 3 million after 20 years. Second illustration, the cost of wasting 20,000 per year. Ang pinakamagandang sample nito yung bonus or 13th month pay na nare-receive mo every year. Madalas ginagastos natin lahat to pag December. Pero paano kung iniipon natin to? Kung iniipon mo yung 20,000 per year na bonus mo, assuming na nilagay mo sa investment facility na pwedeng kumita ng 12% per year, after 10 years, 393,092. After 15 years, 835,066. And after 20 years, 1,613,975 pesos na. Kahit pala once a year mo lang discipline sarili mo, sa bonus or 13th month pa lang na natatabi mo every December, may 1.6 million ka na after 20 years. Paano kung di lang naman 20,000 na natatanggap mo every December? Kung officer ka, kung 50,000 ang naiipon mo kada taon, after 10 years pa lang may 1 million ka na. Kung may 100,000 kang investment per year, halimbawa OFW ka, umaabot sa 100,000 ang benefits na nare-receive mo, in 10 years lang, may 2 million kang fund. Third illustration, cost of wasting 100,000. Ito yung gumastos ka sa one-day event ng bonggang-bongga. Ang usual na example dito ay pag nagpapa-first birthday ka sa baby and wedding event. Wala namang problema sa paggastos kung afford mo. Meron naman talagang malaki ang kita. Pero kung ang savings mo sa pagtatrabaho ay tinodo mo dito, tapos wala ka ng ipon after the event, sayang naman. Kung may one-time investment ka na 100,000, assuming nilagay mo sa investment facility na pwedeng kumita ng 12% per year, after 10 years, 310,585. After 15 years, 547,357. And after 20 years, 964,629. Imagine yung 100,000 one-time investment mo, in 20 years, 1 million na. Yung iba, 200,000, 500,000 sana ang na-invest kung pinagplanuhan lang ng mabuti ang financial. Kasi marami gumagastos sa kasal ng 500,000. Bottom line, you have to save as much as you can. Kasi wala namang ibang nag-iipon para sa'yo. Every time na maglalabas ka ng pera, maliit man yan or malaki, 100 pesos man yan or 100,000, isipin mo na kung matitipid mo yan, pwede mo na yung gawing retirement fund. Save as much as you can. Habang malakas ka pang kumita, mas magandang may naiipon ka na. Invest to grow your money. Kung gastusin mo ang pera mo, ibang tao ang makikinabang niyan. Kung mag-iipon ka, ikaw ang makikinabang sa perang pinaghirapan mo. Time is money. Maganda na habang lumilipas ang panahon, may investment fund ka na nagko-compound. Financial independence is not a dream. It's a decision. If you want to learn more, you may visit the link below. Discover the financial leverage. How to achieve financial success faster than you ever thought possible. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Visit www.1millionclub.com. You may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com or click the link below to fill up the form. Thank you for watching this video.